Hello everyone, I am Arvind Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send WhatsApp messages in bulk from Google Sheets using 360 Dialog. Now 360 Dialog is a platform which has authorization to WhatsApp API, and through that you can send bulk messages on WhatsApp. Now what is happening? We will have a Google Sheets with our data in it, and automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to those datas without manually clicking on particular data and sending them particular messages. So we are doing this automation, and it is very useful and very handy automation for your businesses, for your personal life, and for other purposes too. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Sheets and WhatsApp together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what do we have to do? We just have to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this beautiful web page, and here we have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you can just go for sign in. Signing up is absolutely free. So if you do not have an account, you have to go and sign up. Signing up will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. So I already have an account here, so I'll just go for sign in. And after clicking on sign in, I will just go for login. And now you can see these are my software. So here I'm just going to go for Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here what I'm going to do, you can see I have a new dashboard here where I have so many automations already made. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button, Create Workflow. So now let us give it the name. So the name is Google Sheets to WhatsApp. Because I am connecting Google Sheets to WhatsApp, so I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make our workflow here. You can see we have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. So trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. Now what we are going to do first here, we need to do or I should say we need to take a trigger, so that whenever we are going to add our Google Sheets, we cannot directly take Google Sheets from trigger step, because we want to take all the data from the Google Sheets. So what we are doing, we are taking scheduler for our trigger or as our trigger, so that we can schedule our workflow for once. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do this once here. And now here you can see the date is 10th March 2022, which is today, and the time is 8:20. Now this time is in the format of UTC. So you have to convert it into UTC, or I should say you have to convert your Indian time into UTC if you want to use it here in Pabbly Connect. So it is showing me 8:20, which means IST to UTC. Now you can see here we can convert the time. Now to convert the time, here UTC time is 8:20. So we are going to go for 8:20 AM. Okay. So 8:20 AM of UTC is 1:50 PM here in India. So it is about 1:50 PM. Now we want to have this message on our WhatsApp at 2 PM. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go here and we are going to change it to 2 PM. So for 2 PM, what do we need? Here it is clearly showing you 2 PM. Okay. So for 2 PM, we need 8:30 AM. So here we are going to make it 8:30. Okay. And now we will click on save. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take the Google Sheets where we have all our data saved to the people whom we are going to send the message. We are going to take that data. So what we are going to do, we are going to select an event which is get rows. Okay. And now I will connect it. Now when I will connect it, it will ask me for the connection. So here I am going to go for add new connection. And then it will ask me for the account from where I have to take the sheet. So this is the account Ashirai. So I'm going to take the sheet from Ashirai. and I will click on continue. Now what will happen? I will have all the Google Sheets from Ashirai account into my account. And here you can see I have all the sheets here. Now I want to select this sheet. The name of the sheet is Google Sheets to WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do, I am just going to type in here Google Sheets to WhatsApp. So you can see here I have my sheet. Now it is asking me for the select sheet. So select sheet is sheet 1. So it has already selected sheet 1. Now range. What is the range? So range is the area from which and to which we have to send the data. So this is the range. We want the data to be selected from A to row, and we are going to select it till F column, so that whenever we are going to add new members here or new kids here, because I am sending the exam result, what will happen? It will automatically take all the data from A to row to F column. Okay. So we are going to select A2 to F. So you can see A2 to F column is here. Now I will click on save and send test request. So you will see when I will click on save and send test request, it will take all the data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which means it has taken all the 10 datas here. But to do our automation or to set up our automation, we do not want, all of this data. We only want one data here, or, first row data here, and after that we want data line by line, so that Pabbly Connect takes the data line by line and send message to that data. So what we are going to do, we are going to just click on this simple response and turn it off, and then we are going to click on save and send test request again. Now as soon as we will do that, you will see we have all the data in an array format. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use one more feature by Pabbly to simplify this data from array format to a simple format, and the name of the feature is iterator. Now iterator will automatically take the response result, and as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see the details of the first row only, and only the details of the first row are here. Raj Sharma, number, 9th class, 95% and pass. So this is how we can set up automation using only one data. We do not need to take all the rows. And now iterator will automatically send the data to everybody one by one by taking the rows from Google Sheets. Now what we are going to do, we have successfully followed all the steps and did all the steps. Now it is the time to send our WhatsApp message. So for that, we are going to use WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. And now let me just open WhatsApp by 360 here. So here you can see I have opened my WhatsApp by 360 Dialog, and this is the interface. This is the window here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go back here, and we are going to select send template message. Now what is this template message? I am going to show you, and I am going to explain you everything that what is this template message. Now let me just first click on connect, and now here we are going to make WhatsApp connection. So what we are going to do, we are going to go for add new connection. Then here what you have to do, here you have to paste the domain. So this is your domain. You can just copy it directly and paste it here. Okay. And now API key. So from where you are going to get this API key, you will go into your 360 Dialog. Here you will go for WhatsApp accounts. After going to WhatsApp accounts, here you will have an option to go for the API key, and it is still loading. So let's just wait for few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here you can see I have this option for generate API key. So you can just click on this option and generate a new API key, and then copy that API key here in Pabbly Connect account. Now I already have connected my account, so I'm not just going to regenerate again my API key. So I'm just going to select my existing connection, and here you can see this is the final WhatsApp connection. Okay. So I'm just going to save this connection, and now let me tell you what is this send template message. Here you can see in WhatsApp account, here is you can see an option for manage templates. So when you will go for manage templates, you have to create these kind of templates if you want to send bulk SMS to, sorry, not SMS, bulk message from your WhatsApp to different people. So for that, you have to create these kind of templates. Let me just give you an example by showing this one. So for this, you have to create different kinds of template, and you can create these kind of templates, which I'm going to show you. It's taking some time. So here you can see this is one of my templates. Hi, then body field 1, and I can put whatever I want to put here. A quick message from body field 2 to say your appointment on body field 3 at body field 4 has been successfully booked. If you need to reschedule, please call this. See you soon. So this is the kind of template that you are going to make if you want to send messages through your WhatsApp. And first you will send this to Facebook, and from Facebook you have to get it authenticated. Once Facebook will authorize your template, after that you can use that template to send messages through your WhatsApp. Now this authorization can take 5 hours. It can also take 1 day. It can also take 2 days. So you do not have to panic. If your template is correct, you can just go and apply so that Facebook can authenticate it. And also if you are if you have made the template in a correct form, Facebook will authenticate in few minutes only, or I should say few hours only, and you will be able to use that template very easily in your WhatsApp. Now how you are going to add a new template? So you can go to add template, and here you can create a new template by giving it the name by using these fields here. And if you want to use image, you can use media and interactive option also. So this is the way you are going to make your template. Okay. Now let me just go back to my Pabbly Connect, and here let me just click on save. Now here you can see I have my template here, which is required here. So what we are going to do, we are going to select the template which we have made for our this workflow. And here what I am going to do, I am going to select exam result _1. This is my template. Now let me just go here and show you this template. So this is my WhatsApp account, manage templates, and here I am going to show you the template which I have made especially for this workflow, exam _result _1. So you can see. So here you can see hello body field 1, where the name will come, your class, and this is the class name or the class, whatever it is, 9th, 10th, 11th. Result has been announced, percentage secured is this, body field 3, and result status is this, body field 4. Now you can collect your report card from school. Thank you, regards, and this is the body field 5. So this is how you can also make template. Now let us just go back and use this template here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here in the iterator, and it will let me put the data here in these fields. So recipient mobile number. So we are going to take the mobile number from iterator, which is this one, and you have to use a plus sign before the number and the country code. My country code is 91, so I'm using 91. You have to use the country code from which country you are and from to which country you are sending your message to. Okay. Now what we are going to do here, we are going to put the student name, which is Raj Sharma. Here the class name, which is 9th. Here the percentage, which was 95%. And here we are going to write pass or map in pass. And here we are going to put the school name. So we do not have the school name here in our Google Sheets. So we are just going to put the school name, Pabbly Public School. Okay. So I have randomly given it the name. And as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see the message will be sent to everyone in this list or in this sheet. And this is how you are going to make this automation. Now let me go and check in my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp here, and here you can see as I refreshed it, I have this message here, hello Raj Sharma, and I have I refreshed it twice, so I have 2 messages here. So the message is, hello Raj Sharma, your class 9th result has been announced, percentage secured is 95%, result status is pass, and you can collect your report card from school. Thank you, regards, Pabbly Public School. So friends, this is how you can connect your Google Sheets to your WhatsApp, or I should say to your Pabbly Connect account, and you can send it through your WhatsApp by 360 Dialog. And here you can see how I used the scheduler to do this. You can also use this, and this automation will be very, very useful for everyone, not only to the schools. You can use it in your hospitals, you can use it in your business, you can use it in your personal life as well. You can send mass messages through WhatsApp by using 360 Dialog. Now, if you loved this workflow and if you understood this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this workflow into your account. Cloning is very easy, but for that you need to have an account on Pabbly Connect, and to do that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice this. So don't wait, go and sign up now to claim your account. Hasta la vista. Take care. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.